The breath fuels our body, and dreams fuel our minds.
I envy birds. The fact that they can fly over rivers, over cities, over mountains, over oceans without limits. Why must I tread the path that is already designed for me? Why must I do the same things? I have chosen my path.
Gyan Vihar University, fulfilling your dreams.
All our life, we are trained to get marks, compete, follow. But all that gets over suddenly when you come to college. Now you have a real life to build. Time to write a real story for yourselves.
I have always felt out of place in my school. I felt like I was different from everyone else. I knew if I could just be in a place where I could be me, I could do so much.
After boards, you go through the toughest times of deciding the right place for you. Everything seems so safe and normal. I never wanted normal.
I needed a place that can let me grow, a place that lets you fly.
Gyan Vihar University is an ardent initiative relentlessly evolving education for the millennial generation. The prestigious institution is spanning across a well-planned campus equipped with all technological and infrastructural needs of young, curious minds from over 20 countries and all states of India. The system is magically transforming normal school students into entrepreneurs for the digital age and fourth industrial revolution. World-class infrastructure, state-of-the-art resources, and one of the best faculty base in India is helping the university build, carve, and groom global youth with specialized courses. Gyan Vihar has an active collaboration with the giants of the industry like IBM, Google, Bosch, Amazon, Harvard, and BSE for better opportunity of growth and learning for students. Gyan Vihar is taking an extra mile by crafting courses as per the industry standards for dreams, motivation, and all-round holistic growth for a better tomorrow.
You never know when it is happening, but you develop with every experience. You could be sitting in cafeteria, laughing with your friends. You could be debating on stage or representing your college in football. It builds your character.
All the successful people are there not because of the marks they have got, but because they had the passion to have the ambition to dream. They had the personality to fight every hurdle and create opportunities for themselves.
Everyone needs proper guidance in their life and people who make you choose the right path and help you understand from your mistakes. And when your guides are scientists, researchers and leaders in their field, then you start feeling confident about yourself.
Most of the people forget that marks and degrees mean nothing until you have proper training and guidance to lead in an industry. That is why I needed a place that provides me proper industrial training, that provides me proper industrial connect.
When you study in a place that has a global standard infra, lab, sports facilities, it is just exciting that how much you can learn.
Spending time with people around the world, studying together, working together just opens up your eyes.
When you find the place where you see people who are like you, ambitious, dreamers, people who want a different path, who want to make difference in the world, you know you are in the right place.
I like to challenge myself, never to settle. I want to fly, that's why I chose Gyan Vihar University.
Gyan Vihar University, giving wings to your dreams and make you fly high. Come and explore your individuality at Gyan Vihar University.